fuck Weezy on that shit he be talking about. I catch him in the club, I put that gun deep in his mouth. He family cry out like nigga don't do it. I'm on the front page, nigga trying to get music, trying to make music, but they don't understand me. I'm feeling like I'm Christ the way they planning just to kill me. I got the shit that they ain't never saw, that even thought. I leave your body floating in some water, sipping on tequila. I'm here, I'm there, I'm there, I'm rare. I leave your body somewhere under the lab, bury in the club that you never thought you would have been, or been there, or been here, or been fucking scared. It doesn't matter, nigga. I'm harder, I'm harder, I'm harder. I'm deep inside your bitch, nigga. Call me cassava the way I'm going in it. And these niggas, they talking bullshit, but only skinning. I beat them like a fucking rhythm, then I'm gonna
down with them. Yeah,
throw a tray
I'm
pound
down
in
with
them.
them. Yeah, I'm down with them. Spit them venom, fuck it, open up the enum. Yeah, I show these niggas what I really gonna talk it out. I go to the bank, dog, and just walk it out. So much money, dog, couldn't really doubt it out. I got kilos on the strip, so I'ma talk it out. Fuck it, dog, I got the cops on my back, but I got a 9 dog to get they family relapse back. While I make motherfucking niggas collapse and open their head backs, dog. I walk through dark tracks, dark alleys, dark valleys, and still ride your bitch hardcore, dog, like she's Sally. Yo, I stay stated on the top of galleys. Fuck it, dog, kill niggas down in dark alleys. Yeah, this is me, grinding and rhyming. I tell these niggas they out the time and talking about they shining like they ain't know nothing for the ghetto youth. Fuck it, dog, I stand tall, be in the ghetto truth.
So why the fuck they wanna fuck with my niggas? Not even Young Buck or the whole G unit could have bucked with our niggas. We leave you finger, fuck my nigga. What's up, my nigga? I got it down, no nigga, I got it cocked, my nigga. What they wanna spit, they wanna rip, they wanna get it. Okay, I beat you in the head like your mom tell you forget it. This ain't no magic, but this shit's but the cops can't detect it. This shit we cop blow up like it's 9/11. I send them to heaven, take my 9s, they then treat by 7 and blow their brains up like it's going up to 11. And I'm talking about the elevator.
Fuck that, yo, we know it's all hood. Yeah, and we know what we talking about. Real is so high, dog, ain't gonna talk it out. But you know, late nights you really spark it out. And you know my dog Marcus gon' walk it out. Yeah, these niggas know that we spread it. Fuck it, if the track's on fire, yeah, we lit it. Understand at the end of the night, yeah, we did it. And you damn sure we ain't sit here and read it. Yeah.
If it's about beef, I overcook that meat. I'm from the fucking street. I'm blazing with these heats. No composition for my composition. I put it down in these raps and keep it hot on the tracks. #1 to the ghetto, homie. I gotta shine. The CD is yours, well, the CD is mine. I'm always on time. Catch me on the grind. Nickel and dime. Fuck that. Blazing the 9. You see, it's a game, son. We ain't playing. No delaying. Listen closely what I'm saying. Big guns we bust. And we don't make a fuss, so fuck the cops. Catch me in the fucking shop, doing what I'm doing. In the deli, on the celly, calling my niggas, let them niggas know we ready. Sky Entertainment indebted. If you know they wanna fuck around, then they gonna get it, motherfuckers.